Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be kind of quick. I just want to talk to you quickly about the new DC Comics series silver coins that have been coming out, starting with Batman, then Superman, then we had Wonder Woman, and now Aquaman. And I want to talk to you about whether those are a good thing to buy for investment, for stacking, or for collecting. So we're going to talk about all of that. And then really quick at the end of the video, before we cut it off, I will actually unbox with you the new Aquaman silver coins, which I actually just got in. So we'll do that unboxing at the end of this video. But really quick, if you are new here, do me a favor, go down below and make sure you are subscribed. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. And let's talk about these silver coins. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we actually have 4 of these series already out. This is the new DC Comics series collection. This is all Justice League. So right now, if you take a look at it, we actually have 4 of the original 7 Justice League members here with Wonder Woman, Batman, Superman, and Aquaman, which means we can probably look forward to at least 3 more releases in this series because we still haven't seen the Martian Manhunter, we still have not seen the Green Lantern, and of course we have still not seen my favorite by far, the Flash. I've been a Flash fan since I was a little kid, so I'm kind of excited about the Flash one coming out, and hopefully it is soon. But the question isn't, are you a DC Comics fan, or are you a comic book fan, or do you like these as collectability? The real question is, are they in good investment, period? And the answer to that is kind of a mixed bag. If you're able to get in on these, and you possibly will have that chance with the next 3 releases, if you're able to get on these really quick, I think they are a good investment. These usually come out at around $9 over spot. APMEX specifically had, on all 4 of these, I believe, at around $9 over spot when they first released, but very quickly moved the price up. So if we take a look, for example, at Wonder Woman, she is $50.28, which is about double over spot. I believe that's $25 over spot, probably $24.99. You know how APMEX likes to do it, that, the $24.99 isn't $25, right? But yeah, they're probably $25 over spot for the Wonder Woman. And the same goes for Aquaman, which has a delay till April 14th. But regardless, that is the same for both of those. They still have those available on their website. But when they first came out, they were only like $8.99 over spot, which means you could have got them at today's spot for around $34 a piece, which really isn't a bad price. And the reason I say that is if we take a look at the ones that are selling on eBay that are sold out on APMEX, for example, right now we have Superman. This one, we have a sold listing on March 27th for $49 plus $4 shipping, so $53 to buy this one. And if we take a look at Batman, which is the first one that came out, $82.95 is the most recent sold listing for one of these in a capsule, which is way more. I mean, that's like more than triple spot price, right? So yeah, it's a mixed bag with these. If you get them very early, then it really is a good thing to buy for investment or even to flip, because if you buy them at the low price, you may be able to list them on eBay, and even after eBay fees, you're going to be looking at a profit if you can sell them for $50 or higher. So yeah, absolutely. But if you wait, if you miss out on the initial release and then you look at prices like this from all the online retailers and you pay $50 a piece for these, outside of buying them as a collectible to put a collection together, let's say you want to get one of all of them, which I definitely do, it might be cool to buy them. I think these will probably hold a decent amount of value. I can't promise you they're going to hold $25 over spot. Probably they will go down in some time. Maybe they'll go up because they are a comic book related coin. But there's no way to know if you're going to be able to maintain the value at $50, but I still think they're fun to collect. And so, I wouldn't be opposed to just buying one of each just to have the collection. But, I think if you're going to invest in them or flip them, you need to get them right away, and it's a good buy. So I guess the point of this video is with the other ones coming out, with Martian Manhunter, with the Green Lantern, and of course with the Flash for me, if you're going to buy more of these, make sure you get on the bandwagon right away. And I know with the Aquaman one, I did do a community post for my channel members where I let them know that it was available. But I mean, when I let them know it was available, it was $8.99. And then very quickly, I was already getting messages from people saying they were already 15 over spot. And now, as you know, they were 25. So you got to get in on them quick. I think they're a good investment if you do. But once they hit $50, outside of buying them as a collectible piece, I would hold off. I just think the premium's a little bit too high at that point to be able to flip them for a profit. You're better off buying cheaper silver just to add to your stack, in my opinion. All right, so there you go, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at that unboxing, though, because I actually did order 25 of the Aquaman, and I kind of wish I would have ordered 50. But let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to do an unboxing live right here in this video if you guys want to join me, and we'll get them up close under our 4K camera and take a look. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the new Aquaman ones, and I instantly regretted not buying more than what I did. I bought 25, and I wish I would have bought 50. But let's go ahead and get them out and take a look. And I'm pretty sure my invoice is in here, so I'll cut that part of it out. Almost pulled my glove. And anyone that's wondering why I'm wearing gloves, I wear gloves in my videos. It's not because I'm worried about hurting coins in capsules. Oh, these are not in capsules. I thought they were going to be in capsules. And cool, my invoice is in there. Okay, well, for some reason I thought these were going to be in capsules. I thought that the other ones were. But maybe I'm just wrong. But anyway, let's go ahead and get it open. So we'll slice through the tape. Slice through the tape again. All right, and so we see the reverse 2022. You know what? They aren't. Yeah, the other ones weren't in capsules. I was thinking a different series. My bad. All right, so here we go. Let's get a close-up under the 4K camera here, and there is your 1-ounce silver Aquaman. So he's looking pretty awesome there. A little bit different than the Family Guy portrayal of him in the water not being able to help because the person's not in the water. It does look like I have some... Yeah, look at this. So my top one here actually has some rim dings. Like that's like you can see that's the ridges of the edge of the coin that struck the face of this one. Oh, well, that's not good. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, that one looks much better. So yeah, the one on top, as you guys can see, is certainly not in perfect condition. Still a nice coin. You can even see one right there over the logo as well. So anyway, there it is. Very nice. 1-ounce silver Aquaman. Flip it over to the reverse. Unfortunately, you have the queen, but still a very beautiful coin on this side and really, really cool. And like I said, you know, these things, you know, when the other three come out, I'm definitely going to be probably a little bit more aggressive. If I know that they're coming out, I will probably make sure I'm ready to be able to purchase a few more than what I did with this order. But they are really, really cool nonetheless. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you did, do me a favor. Don't forget to go down below. Make sure you are liked and subscribed. It really helps the channel out. And we'll see you next time.